In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an invoice on PayPal. Now, an invoice is essential, especially when you're doing freelance work or any type of work online. But anyways, guys, in order to make an invoice, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and log on to your PayPal account. And making a PayPal account is completely free. But anyways, guys, over here, you want to make sure that home is selected, and under quick access, you will see the option that does say invoicing. All we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on that. And then it is going to showcase all of the invoices that you currently do have. So at the moment, we don't have any, so let's go ahead and actually create one by pressing on this button that does say create new, and then go ahead and select on invoice one more time. Then it is going to give you the invoice PDF preview on the right hand of the screen, where it is going to display like your name, your address, and all that good stuff. And then on the left side, you want to go ahead and actually customize your invoice to your liking, and so that it actually represents the work that you have done. So you guys have a couple different options. So you guys can literally just manually type in their name like so, or you can go ahead and add a customer. So go ahead and write this individual's name, and you guys could also press on the pen icon to add their email, which is another great option. And then you want to go ahead and select on what are they paying for. And from here, you want to go ahead and press on create a new item. So I'm just going to press on that. And then you want to select whether it's a good or service. Then you want to enter the name, the quantity, the price per unit, the currency, and a brief description as well. So go ahead and do include this in your invoice. And if it's like a product you sell, then it's actually going to save you a lot of time, because you only need to do this process once. And then whenever you're trying to send an invoice again, then you guys can literally just set the preset amount, and then you should be good to go. All right, so I'm just going to be selecting on this test item that I did make. So it is one quantity and the price is $5, but obviously you guys can go ahead and adjust it to your liking. You guys could even add more items as well. So that is definitely pretty cool. You guys will also have the option to include an address, but again, that is completely up to you, not really necessary for this instance. And then it is going to tell you the subtotal and the total, again, with tax exclusive. If you guys want to add another charge, that is definitely an option you guys could do. You need to go ahead and press on this button that says add other charges, and you guys can add more charges over here, or even make a discount as well. So the choice is really up to you. You guys could also select on the amount of USD and give it a name as well. Now over here, we will have the option to add payment terms. So if we go ahead and press on that, we can go ahead and actually allow partial payments and even include a minimum as well. Or you guys could even have the option to allow a tip. So those are all great options, especially if you're doing some like freelance work, online or something like that. And then over here, we do have notes and attachments that you guys can go ahead and customize. Over here, we will also have terms and conditions as well. You guys can also include that as well. A reference number if in case you want your customers to call you, and a memo to self, which is something that you guys could also do. You guys could even go ahead and upload a image or a GIF to your invoice just to kind of spice up your invoice a bit more. You can maybe put like your logo over here, and there's a lot of great options. But anyways, guys, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on this button that does say send once you went ahead and customize everything to your liking. Now we have multiple different options. So we can share our invoices with a link using our phone, or we can go ahead and copy the invoice link and then send it to our customers. So let's go ahead and just copy the link like so. And then let's go ahead and press on close. And then it is going to open up the menu that does look like this. So there you go. It's going to say invoice number, the invoice over here, the customer, and all that good stuff. So if we go to a new tab and then we just enter in the link that we did, make, it is going to show something that looks like this. There you go. It is going to show the invoice, the information as well. And we will have the option to pay with like PayPal or Venmo, and like a lot of great options as well. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.